When it comes to choosing the best vitamin C serum for your face, it's important to look for a product that offers a stable form of vitamin C and is suited for your skin type. One highly recommended brand is SkinCeuticals. Okay, I'll put it all in the description because I know I can't pronounce some of these. Known for its C E Ferulic serum, this product combines 15% pure vitamin C with vitamin E and ferulic acid, providing powerful antioxidant protection while brightening the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines. The formula is designed to improve skin texture, tone, and overall radiance. Another top contender is La Roche-Posay's Pure Vitamin C Face Serum. This serum contains a high concentration of vitamin C in a gentle hydrating formula, making it a great choice for sensitive skin. It's designed to help restore luminosity and smooth out rough skin while being non-comedogenic. Okay? So for those seeking a more budget-friendly option, True Skin's vitamin C serum is a popular choice, packed with plant-based ingredients like aloe vera and hyaluronic acid. This serum brightens the skin while also providing hydration. And also, Obagi Professional C Serum offers a potent concentration of vitamin C and is often recommended by dermatologists for its effectiveness in targeting signs of aging and uneven skin tone, while consistent use with these serums can deliver glowing, youthful looking skin.